First, get the ARM Mobile Studio package from the ARM developer website. You'll need to log in with an ARM account to access the download. Streamline uses Android Debug Bridge to capture data from your device, so you'll need to have this installed. Ensure that the app you want to profile is marked as debuggable in the Android application manifest. Build your app and install it on your device. Lastly, you'll need to put your device into developer mode and enable USB debugging. Open Streamline and you'll see your connected device in the Start tab. Select the device and then select the package you want to profile. Next, choose Configure Counters. Here's where we specify what data to collect from the device as your application runs. You can create your own configurations from scratch, but this can seem quite overwhelming at first, as there are hundreds of counters to choose from. Instead, let's use a template to select a range of counters for our profile. Select the appropriate template for the GPU in your device. Now we can start the capture. Specify the name and location of the capture file that Streamline will create when the capture completes. The app will start on your device and Streamline will start capturing data. When you've collected enough data, stop the capture. Choose the Switch and Manage Templates button and select the same counter template that you chose to create the capture. For more videos in this series, and for more information about ARM Mobile Studio, visit the ARM developer website.